Can I tell you something? For the young men listening, is one of the major things you should look out for in a lady if you want to get married. And for the ladies, is one of the major virtue you should covet by all means. By all means. Teachability. Teachability. If you marry a woman that is teachable, even if she's not everything you want in a woman now, listen, you can turn her to what you want, provided she's willing to learn, provided she's teachable, provided she's willing to listen. That listening ear is a proof that somebody is humble. When people don't listen, is a proof of pride, is a proof of arrogance. So you are a young man, my brother, don't just look for shape, don't just look for beauty. As important as beauty is, my wife is beautiful, you know now. As important as it is that, okay, the woman is beautiful, please ensure she's teachable. A woman that quarrels and argues